This video is going to explain to you the anatomy of the intestines. It's also going to talk you through the procedure that Albert has had to have. He has just returned from theatre following a laparoscopic right hemicolectomy and primary anastomosis for cancer at the hepatic flexure. The hepatic flexure is the joint here on the intestines, and this is where the liver sits, so it's called hepatic because it relates to the liver. Whereas at the opposite side you have the splenic flexure, and this is where the spleen sits in the anatomy. The normal flow of food comes through the intestines, the small intestines. It joins here, the small intestines joins the large intestines here at the cecum. It then flows up the ascending colon, across the transverse colon and down the descending colon, through the sigmoid colon and down to the rectum. The cancer that Albert has is in this section of the colon at the hepatic flexure. A small incision is made where the small intestines meets the large intestines at the point called the cecum. The left-hand side part of the intestines is then removed. So this is taken away during surgery. And then what happens is the small intestines is then joined to the large intestines. Both ends are stapled at the end, and then a hole is made, which is what is anastomosis. Anastomosis is where two structures are joined together so that normal flow resumes. So Albert's intestines will then continue to flow in the normal way. Obviously food would then be digested through and then would be defecated in the rectum.